Hi everyone, I am Navaneeth Krishnan. I am a wildlife photographer, and in this video we are going to see how to post high quality images on IGTV. Before we get started, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel so that you get daily one video and learn more on photography, Lightroom, Photoshop and Premiere Pro. Without any further delay, let's get started. So this is basically how the Premiere Pro looks like as soon as you open a project. So now to create contents on this, you have to create a sequence. So now you go to File, New and Sequence here, and then you give a name as you wish. Like now I go ahead and give a name IGTV video, and here you have to go to the available presets here to digital. So digital SLR, and here 1080p and DSLR 108024. And go to settings, and as the IGTV ratio is 9:16, you have to change the ratio from 16:9 to 9:16. So it is very simple. You just go ahead and change here from 1080 and here to 1920, and you click here, you find the change is 9:16. And you give the name, and if you can save the preset so that you do not go each time and make these changes again and again. So here I'm not saving it, I am just giving a cancel and show you how where you can find a saved preset. You click on sequence, here you go to custom, here I have the saved preset. So IGTV sequence, it's already 24 frames and you can find all the details here. And here I give this one as IGTV video, and I give OK, and you find the 9:16 ratio being open. Now you can find a sequence here. Now you import files. So now I go to File, Import, and I select any file that I have and I just import it. So you just drag that one and drop it to timeline here, and it asks you whether you want to keep the settings. I just say keep existing settings, and I just assume this particular video is not shot in the ratio of 9:16, it was shot in the ratio of 16:9. I just make sure it fits in this particular screen here, and this is a video of myself making some tutorials here for you guys in YouTube. And so I just consider this particular video is completely edited. So I go to the start of the video and give I, and to the end of the video I go here and give O, and I just assume this one to be a perfectly edited high quality video here. So I just go ahead and do this one and give Control M, or you can go to File and give Export and Media, and you find a export settings that pops up. So here you go to Format and select H264, and there are some certain settings that you need to follow. For the perfect HD high quality IGTV video, you just exactly follow whatever the settings I am doing. You will get a high quality video that you can post it on IGTV. Do not make any changes to the videos. Do not make any changes to the settings. And you go to the preset here below, and you can select any of the presets that you have here. So that, because we are going to anyway customize all the presets that is present here. So I go ahead and select something like this, and you output name, here you click and select the exact destination where you want your file to land on. So I have many times messed up on this one. I have randomly given some destination. I have forgot where I placed my destination, and then I went on searching for files. Don't do that. Make your destinations exactly and remember where you have given the destination, so that you can find your file after it gets exported. So make sure you give export video and export audio tick. So in case this is missing, either of your video or audio will be missing out from the final video that you get out. So now there are several tabs here. So we'll be dealing just with the two tabs. One is the video tab and the other one is the audio tab. So for the first video tab, here whatever is there in the sequence that you have taken, it will be the same. It will be 1080 to the 1920, that is 9:16 ratio. You just need to go down further. The aspect ratio is pixel 1 square pixel 1.0, the frame rate is the same. So render at maximum depth. So when you keep it says rendering at maximum bit depth improves the high video quality but increases how long encoding takes. But all you need is a high quality video, so you just give it a tick here, and then you go down. You need not tamper with any of this one. You go down. Here comes the bitrate settings. So we need not go much into bitrate settings now. So we just directly go to CBR. Here you go select CBR here, and the exact target bitrate that you have to select is 7.5. Out of my all this analysis of doing several bitrates and finding the perfect size, I have gone and found that 7.5 is going to be a good bitrate. So here now my file size is 455 MB. So there is you can upload up to 3.6 GB on Instagram if your file size is if your length is more than 60 and the maximum length of 60 minutes. So if your file size is going beyond 3.6, you can scale this down even much more. So if you are having many artifacts like animations and effects and lights and coming in, going out, zoom in, zoom out, crossfade, slide, and all this you have added, and you want all this to be seen clearly, I will suggest you to increase your bitrate a bit more. You have a maximum of 3.6. now it is just in MB, is not even now it's scaling up to 2 GB, 2.7, 2.9. so even if I keep 50, my maximum MB is coming to 2.932 MB, 2932 MB. So that is 2932 MB, which is basically 2.9 GB. So I have space till 3.6 GB. So it's not a big deal here. So I can go and have up to 50 bitrate as well. So the next one is audio. So the audio should match the source file. So make sure all your audio settings matches the source file. And here you obviously you do not want a mono sound, you want a stereo sound. So I go ahead with stereo sound here. So that is the same thing that I have in the source file. So I'm just matching the same thing. And audio quality is high obviously, and it's precedence is bitrate and not sample rate. And here you go ahead and make sure you click on the use maximum render quality here, and export the video. That's it. You have exported so it takes quite a lot, some amount of time for it to export, and once that is done, you can directly upload a high quality video on IGTV and enjoy high quality videos on IGTV, and you can make great high quality contents on IGTV as well. So it's a high time you start using IGTV, and if you use this particular tutorial to learn on how to post high quality videos on IGTV, do let me know and tag me on your post at Navaneeth Krishnan photography, or use hashtag let's unfold together. I would love to see all your works there. So thank you for watching. We'll come up with more amazing videos. Until then, stay tuned and follow me on Instagram. Thank you.